Hey guys, so I've been getting into Rubik's Cubes lately, and this is my first order from Amazon. I bought 6 Rubik's Cubes, and you'll see what they are. Before, I just had these two Rubik's brand, and they're bad, so I got some you'll see Rubik's Cubes. So I'll get to opening this. Just picked it up from the post office. Alright, bubble wrap, and what just happened? That wasn't me. What are you talking about? So it says ShengShou 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, puzzle white. So I got all those puzzles, and I can't open it because it's taped. Do you have any scissors? Anybody? Oh, I got it. Long nails. Holy, these are small. Okay, well, this is the 2 by 2. Open this up. Some instructions and stuff. Looks pretty nice. Oh, it's kind of oily. Oh, that turns very nice compared to my other one. Oh, it's pretty like loose. Like the pieces can just come out probably. And see how it cuts corners? Doesn't really, not really. It'll just probably come out if I do that. But yeah, it turns very nice. Just yeah, some problems I guess. Let's check out this 3 by 3 instructions again. That's very quiet. That is good. And again, it's a bit oily, but whatever. Oh yeah, that actually doesn't cut corners either. It does it that way. A bit, but yeah, very smooth. Holy. Let's check out this 4 by 4 up in here. I've never actually played with a 4 by 4. I've done it on my phone app. Check this out. Same ShengShou. Wait, okay, this is nice. They're all very oily, like they're getting all my fingers, but yeah, wow, that's nice. Nice turning and stuff. Holy, I can't wait to get into this. Yeah. 5 by 5. Here we go. I got 2 more cubes left after this. Alright, come on. See it? It looks so small in the packaging. I thought it would look like way bigger, but it's actually not. It's actually, yeah, this is pretty small though. These pieces. Alright, this one's a bit more loud and rough compared to the other ones, but still pretty good. I got this set of all these for 20 bucks, so pretty good. Let's try this checkerboard pattern. Oh, we keep messing up. We need practice. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, checkerboard. 5 by 5. That's pretty cool. Alright, here we go. Next cube. The Pyraminx. Made in China. Let's get this out. Oh, baby. I've been waiting for this. Oh, yes. What did I drop? Some instructional thing. Alright, it ripped in the box. But here is the Pyraminx. This, that's actually pretty cool. It snaps right into place, like, it just goes right into place. I like that a lot, actually. It's a good cube. Actually, it's not a cube. What am I talking about? It's a pyramid, obviously. Alright, last cube. This is smaller than I thought. I thought this was going to be bigger. This is the Megaminx. And oh, I've been waiting for these for like a week. I just cannot believe they're finally here. I'm very happy. Well, that's kind of a bit, I kind of like that feeling when it turns. It's kind of just like I don't know how to explain it. It's smooth, but it's like, I don't know, it's nice. It's just good, right? So yeah, I can't wait to play with these. Subscribe for more maybe Rubik's Cube content in the future. I don't know, but let's just get all these together. Where's my? You put them all back?
Yep.
All right, whatever. These are the only non-cubes I have, but yeah. So I have a total of 8 cubes now. That's awesome. All right. See you later. Peace.